Hi everyone, this is Miss Nook, your science teacher, and I wanted to tell you it was great to see you today and to work with you and to poke some of you when we did the blood typing lab. We are not done with that, so if you have not brought in your permission slip, please bring that in by Thursday. I will be finishing up the gathering of the data for the blood typing lab. I am still waiting on many of your what is the parent assignment that you're supposed to do on your own paper in the Google class. It's in the Google Classroom, but you're doing it on your own paper. I have received two from students. I have one here and I have one here, and both of these need correction, so I will be giving those back to do corrections when I get there on Thursday. I have made a key for those questions so that you can check your work on Thursday. As well, you need to read the blood typing article in case you have not read that yet. Also, get your blood typing lab permission slip signed. There are several genetics problems that you're going to do in the Google Classroom about blood typing, and that is on your own paper, as well as a handout that should be printed for the substitute. It's about incomplete and codominance, and you have to know the definition of both so that you get those problems right. If you think you are done, you are not done. You are never done. One thing that you can do is you can go back onto the Google Classroom and make sure that your pedigree is perfect. If you think, if I've sent it back to you and it has 100 on it, I would go back to it and look at the bottom in the comment section down here where it says click to add speaker notes, and see if I've typed a message to you on an individual basis of what you need to do to correct it. When you have done that, you can resubmit it and I will look at it again. And I will keep sending it back to you if corrections need to be made. Also, if you think you're done, you can also review for your AZ merit test. There's a link in your classroom for those, so I'll show you what that looks like. If you go to your classroom and you go down a little bit, there is a link right here to the sample tests that are there. If you click on that, you can go up here to take the sample tests. These are for English and math. They are not for science, but you still need the practice. Everything is preset for you as a guest. You can go ahead and sign in, and you can select your grade level. You are in high school, so you can practice either the ELA or the math. If you need some review, I would go back to the other grades that came before you. And that is what I have for you to do this week. I will see you on Thursday, and I'm out.